is so my new favorite drink. I'm not even exaggerating.
Okay, well, we gotta try more.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Noah here.
Amarilys.
This is gonna be our first collab video. I can't believe it.
We're collabing finally together. We've been wanting to collab for a long time, right?
A long time.
You guys might have heard we have a giveaway. I still have yet to hit the 500.
Once she does, we're gonna give away an Amazon gift card, so make sure you're following us so that once she does hit 500 that you can get all the details on the gift card.
Yes, exactly. We're excited. We're collabing. I
Look where we are.
Yeah, I think you guys are gonna be excited.
We're in the Starbucks drive-through. Follow us on Instagram. We asked all of our Instagram followers to tell us what your favorite drink is, and then we're just basically gonna each get, she's gonna get 2 of her followers drinks and I'm gonna get 2 of mine, and then we're gonna get 1 that like Pinterest kind of recommended, and we'll see what we think about them. We're gonna be super lit after this.
I know. And then we're gonna go to Home Goods too.
Yeah, we're gonna go shopping. There's gonna be a part 2 to this basically.
Exactly. Yeah, so we're actually having like 2 collab videos basically.
But we'll check back in as soon as we are trying the drinks. So stay tuned.
Yeah. Okay, thanks.
Oh, it's not that expensive.
No.
I definitely thought it was gonna be more than 20. How is it only $21? We got so much shit. I thought it was gonna be like $50.
Me too.
So let's just show you guys all the drinks. Okay. So we have these 4 and then this one. So we got 5 total. 2 drinks from her followers, 2 drinks from my followers. Yep. 1 that we tried to order a special drink, but they didn't really understand us.
I'm not gonna lie, with these foams on the top,
that should look bomb. Yeah, it does look really good, especially this one.
Right.
What is that? I will have to get into it. One of my followers, Dina Haynes Author, she responded to my question sticker saying cold brew with pumpkin spice cold foam, and that sounds kind of basic, but I've never had pumpkin spice cold foam. It looks really good.
Yes.
So we're gonna taste that first.
Yes.
And I don't know what they put on top, but do you guys see that? It's like some cinnamon powder or something. Thanks guys. Yeah, I don't think we asked for that.
That's actually the prettiest one. And then this one is actually cute too.
That one is cute.
We're trying to be, you know, sanitary and stuff like that.
We're in the same household, so that's why we're not wearing masks.
Exactly. I don't know. I don't think I've even told people, but I mean, she's basically my sister-in-law.
She babysits my son all the time. Yeah, we're family. Okay.
I'll do my own shot.
Okay.
I think that should carry either.
Moment of truth. Oh my god.
It's good?
Wait, it's so good.
Alright, I want to try
cream cold
because I don't really like pumpkin spice drinks, really.
It tastes like cinnamon. It doesn't taste like pumpkin.
Get a little bit
Tell me if you taste pumpkin, because I do not taste pumpkin. I taste cinnamon.
Oh yeah, this is good.
It's cinnamony.
Yeah. It doesn't taste too pumpkin-y.
No.
Okay, I want more.
I know. I love you. That's the one I kind of want to finish.
Okay.
It's good. Wait, I need
it's like a good, normal, like coffee. Not too sweet. I don't really like too sweet of a coffee.
Wait, this is so my new favorite drink. I'm not even exaggerating.
Okay, well we gotta try more.
That shit was a 10.
I'm gonna give that one, I'd give it an 8.
It was like literally perfect for me.
It was good.
This is so good.
And then the second one from your subscriber. Oh, with the green tea.
Oh, this one looks so good.
That one looks really refreshing, honestly.
It does look refreshing.
I like literally, I'm like, I think I want to have that one.
You might want to finish this one. This was recommended by Trader Joe's Plant Finds, green iced tea with no sweetener and substitute water for strawberry acai.
And I brought my own straws. These are glass.
Yeah, they're so
from
cute.
Amazon.
All right, let's try. I don't like this. It tastes like medicine or something.
Oh.
It's really gross. It tastes like NyQuil.
Oh no.
I swear.
Oh, my straw doesn't fit in that.
It's like NyQuil.
Ew.
The red NyQuil. You're gonna hate it, I think.
I think maybe you needed to mix it.
Maybe.
Let's see. It doesn't taste like a little bit. Yeah, it's kind of not that good.
Yeah, mixed is a little bit better. Now I taste the green tea. Before I didn't.
Yeah, but it's
not great.
It's a 4 for me.
I'm gonna say 1 because it tastes like I'm drinking NyQuil. I'm sorry.
You know what?
It's not my jam. I love her page though. Go follow her if you're obsessed with plants. Actually, like I am.
I think I like it more now. I don't drink anymore.
Really?
Yeah, it's better than a 4.
What do you give it?
I'd give it like 6 or 7.
Also, it's not coffee at all.
Yeah.
It's tea. So if you like tea, maybe you'll like it, but
Yeah.
I'm more of a coffee drinker. Like, I need coffee.
I like teas, the refreshers and stuff, so it's not,
I like the
it's
dragon
better.
fruit one, but
Me too, that's
yeah,
my favorite. The mango dragon
that's
fruit,
my
yeah,
favorite.
it's so good. This one is okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, sorry girl.
Yes.
Cool. Right. So then now we're going to do that random
special drink. So we
special
tried, just so you guys know, we tried to get like the unicorn frappuccino, which looked so good. So they could not make it. She was like, do you have the ingredients? And we do have the ingredients, but they're the most complicated things ever. I wasn't gonna
Yeah, it was a lot. And then we tried to order a s'mores drink. He said that was actually for the summertime. So
why would s'mores drink be in the summertime?
Yeah, we were very confused. Then I tried to order another drink, and she told me that it was like 3 drinks in one that I was ordering, and I was like, a coconut milk pumpkin macchiato. That didn't seem like 3 drinks, but whatever. So I tried to like come up with my own idea of what that would be. It's pretty.
Yeah, it is really pretty.
So I ordered tall iced caramel. Sir, why are you all in?
I thought it was gonna come up to us. That was scary.
It's iced caramel macchiato with 1 pump of pumpkin spice sauce.
Oh,
I kind of
pumpkin spice sauce.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like this color.
Yeah, it's really cute.
It's really cute. Very spicey.
That should look bomb. It looks so good to me.
It looks so good.
The coffee on top, and the milk, and then the pumpkin sauce.
Yeah, and then the milk looks like pink, like a beigey, pinky color to me. Really
it's mixed
pretty.
with the pumpkin.
Yeah. I'm excited for this one. Like low key,
you should maybe mix it.
Okay, let me mix it. I think.
Why is this guy walking up to us? I hate him. Distracting.
Yeah, he just is staring at us like we're idiots.
You guys could see behind. I should have flipped the camera. What does it taste like?
I don't want to give anything away.
Yeah. Okay.
You drink it.
Okay, I have to make sure I put the straw on the bottom to get that sauce. Oh, it just tastes like a pumpkin spice latte.
It does.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah. I'm like, at first when I took a sip, I was like, oh, this is pretty good. But then I don't taste the caramel macchiato. And I only did 1 pump of the pumpkin sauce, and it's like overwhelmed.
Latte.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave this in here.
Yeah, it tastes like a pumpkin spice latte. Where is I don't even see the caramel. Like, don't they usually do a drizzle of caramel?
Yeah, they do. Not
okay, fail. That was a fail. I mean, it's not bad.
No, it's not
taste bad. I would say
the first one was a 10. The second one was a 1 for me because that shit sucked.
Yeah.
This, I would drink it. It's like
me too.
A 4 or 5.
The first one was that probably was my favorite too so far.
Yeah, you said 8.
One,
yeah,
I said 8. Yeah, because I would actually drink that.
Yeah,
because it's like regular coffee, like, and it wasn't overly sweet, but it was sweet enough for me. I liked that one.
Yeah.
This one, I probably would take that over that.
The special one?
The special one is like a 6 or 7 too.
Oh, okay.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
No,
it's just
not
bad. I don't really want the pumpkin spice. So yeah, that's it for the drink.
Yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. And then if you guys want to see the next 2 drinks, which look amazing,
I'm excited.
Then stick around for her video. I will link it at the end of this video. I'll also link it down below in the description box so it'll be easy. But thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys over on her channel. Make sure you follow both of us so you can get that gift card giveaway. And
then follow us on Instagram too.
Follow us on Instagram because that's how we found these drinks for you guys on Instagram.
Exactly.
So I'll link hers in the video. It's XOXO Amarilys.
It's XOX Amarilys.
Okay, and mine is Casa Rozay, so definitely make sure you're following us. And with that all being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.